Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the earbuds and confirming readiness. Charge to around 50% or more, then open Bluetooth on your phone so it's discoverable. Once you remove the earbuds from the case, press and hold the multifunction button until the white LED flashes. That puts them in pairing mode. This step speeds pairing and avoids intermittent disconnects. Once done, make sure your phone sees Bose Sport Earbuds and tap to connect. You'll hear a voice prompt confirming a successful link. You now focus on fit and control mapping because sound quality depends on a good seal. Insert each earbud, twist lightly to lock the wing tip, swap tips until ambient noise is reduced and bass tightens. Then, practice touch controls. Single tap for play or pause, double tap to skip, press and hold to summon your voice assistant. Next, open the Bose app to enable EQ presets or adjust bass and button behavior. This customizes response and improves comfort during long workouts. You finish by making these practices routine to avoid issues. After every session, return earbuds to the case to charge and preserve pairing data. That keeps both sides synced. If you prefer one-ear use, leave one in the case and your phone will switch automatically. Make sure the app shows the active earbud. If things go wrong, reset by placing both in the case and holding the case button for 10 seconds until the LED blinks amber. Then repair to clear stubborn connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.